In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of editing your site using Google and manage.wix.com. If you're eager to customize your website and ensure it's exactly the way you imagine, then this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, we're going to begin with a simple Google search. Open your preferred browser, head to Google, and search for Wix. This will lead you directly to the right place to manage and edit your site. It might seem straightforward, but using your browser's search feature can be a quick gateway to access all the tools you need. Once you've reached the Wix site, look for the option that says Select and Edit Site. This is your entry point into your site's dashboard. Consider this dashboard as your website's control center. Clicking this will allow you to choose which of your sites you'd like to manage, especially useful if you handle multiple sites. After you make your selection, you will see the option to Edit Site. Clicking on this will open up the full editor for your chosen website. Here you have the creative freedom to adjust layouts, colors, text, and more to fit your brand style. This editor is quite powerful, and it's where the magic of customizing your site happens. Next, on your editing screen, look for the Pages and Menus section located on the interface. Clicking into this gives you the ability to view all the pages within your site. You can reorder them, rename them, or even hide specific pages if that's what suits your current needs. Within this menu, pay close attention to the three dots often found next to each page name. Clicking on these dots will reveal more options, kind of like a secret menu in a restaurant. It's here you can access additional settings, giving you deeper control over each page's individual characteristics. If you want to nest one page beneath another, making it a subpage, this can be achieved easily. Simply click on the option marked Subpage after selecting those three dots. This action helps in organizing your site's structure and can be especially useful for large sites where a clean navigation bar is essential. Finally, remember that you can also manually create a new page from this section. Once that's done, repeat the same steps to customize it or make it a subpage, just like we discussed. Designing a site on Wix is about creativity and control, and knowing these tools will help transform your vision into reality. Thank you for tuning into this guide. With what you've learned today, you're well on your way to mastering the Wix website editor. Keep experimenting and refining your site, because the more you dive into these tools, the more polished and professional your web presence will become. Happy editing!